Hi, my name's Ashley. I've been taking the Sourdough 101 course by Sourdough Schoolhouse, and it has been fantastic. I'm so happy that I signed up. I wasn't really hesitant at all to sign up. I knew that bread baking was something that I wanted to learn to do, and sourdough especially for the gut health and just overall health of my family and my boys. The videos have been so easy to follow along. The written instructions and the videos combined make it super easy to just look back and know exactly what to do, what your next step is going to be. Um, it's foolproof, basically, and I've been loving it. I cannot wait. I'm already in line for the pastry class that they're coming out with next year. And I cannot thank Shannon enough. I'm so excited and happy to be able to share bread and bake bread and just bless the people around me.